So good morning, class 6. Today we are going to discuss the NCERT workbook, chapter number 11, worksheet. That is a worksheet number 12. So kindly go open your books, everyone, so that we can continue with it. Your question number 1 is MCQs. Which of the following characteristics are observed in an image formed by a pinhole camera? So Puneet Anand, you have raised hand. Kindly give the answer. Yes. First one. No, it's not correct. Anybody else?
Ma'am, I Arav Bhaskar.
Yes, Arav, tell.
I'm real inverted.
Yes, the image is real and inverted. The image formed is real and inverted. So B part is the correct answer for it. Next, number 2. An object P is placed between a reflecting surface and a screen on which a sharp, clear image of an object P is formed. Which of the following properties does the object P show? So kindly read this question carefully so that you can know about it. Yes, Arav Kuliyal.
Translucent.
How translucent? It is written that object P is placed between them, the two objects, and the image is clear. Yes, Akshay Balan.
Opaque.
Then the answer is transparent.
Transparent. Okay, anybody else? Aditya Purohit. Yes, Aditya Purohit.
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the answer?
Form that surface. Ma'am, transparent.
Yash Soni.
Transparent, ma'am.
Okay, Dravya Jain.
Ma'am, all of these.
Same type of images will be formed. Children, listen carefully again. I'm reading this question again. An object P is placed between the reflecting surface and a screen on which a sharp, clear image of the object P is formed. Sharp image and a clear image we can see of the object. So you have to tell which, when the image is formed clear, when the object is opaque. Opaque or something else, or it is transparent. Okay? We are able to see shadow. We are not talking about the shadow. We are able to see the image. So it means that is a transparent. Okay. Next is, in a periscope, two plane mirrors are tilted, fitted at its two ends in such a way that they should intersect each other, parallel to each other, at a right angle to each other, and make the acute angle. Children, this activity is there at the end of your chapter, suggested activities. So to make a periscope, two plane mirrors should be fitted in such a way that they should be at a right angle to each other. Number 4. Which of the following is not necessary condition for the formation of a shadow? Which is not necessary? An opaque object, a screen, a transparent object, and a source of light.
A transparent object.
Yes,
A transparent object. A transparent object. Transparent.
Children, kindly mute yourself. One has to speak. It's a transparent object. What is true about the shadows and images? Yes, Aditya Raj. Shadows are always black in color. Shadows are formed when the light travels in a straight line. Images show the color of shadow.
Ma'am, a shadow are always black in color.
Ma'am, all of these.
Ma'am,
Yes.
all of these.
Puneet Anand.
Ma'am, all of these.
All of these.
All of these.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Chitra.
Ma'am, Jhanak. Ma'am, shadows are formed because light travels in straight line.
Okay. So the answer is true, all of these. Till here, everybody has done? So that I can clear the next one. Number 6 is number 5. Okay, number 5 we have done. Now we have to go for number 6. Next is Ananya is standing 35 centimeter away from the mirror. She looks at her image, which is 160 centimeter in height. What change will occur in the size of her image if she moves 5 centimeter farther from her original position? So children, this is an activity when she is standing in front of the mirror. The size of the image becomes 155, remains same. Children, kindly give answer only when it is asked. Raise your hands. First of all, try to understand the situation. Ananya is standing 35 centimeter away from the mirror. She looks, the height of image is 160. And you know, when you are moving away from the mirror, your image becomes smaller. And as you come closer to the mirror, your image becomes larger. Close up, you can see that comes close to the mirror. So size of the image become 155, will remain same, 165, or reduces to half. This you have to tell. So it will be reduces by 155. It becomes 155 centimeter as she moves 5 centimeter further from the original position. So 5 centimeter, the image has reduced. Next question number 7. Varsha went in the completely dark room and held up a mirror in front of her. So she is in the dark room. Now you have to tell whether she is able to see the image, able to see her image in the dark room, able to see her bright image, dark patch in the mirror, not able to see anything on that.
Can I?
I'm
Arav,
not
Yes,
able
Arav.
to see any image.
Ma'am, not be able to see anything.
D.
I'm not able to see anything.
Ma'am, not be able to see any image.
I'm not able to see any image.
Next is B part.
And what is the answer of 7? Varsha went.
Complete the paragraph using appropriate words. Dash helps us see object. Yes, kindly raise your
Ma'am.
hands.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Yes, Rizunair.
Light help us to see object.
Okay.
What is the answer of 7?
Objects like sun that
Ma'am, give out or emit light.
okay. Emit their own light are called luminous objects. We can't see through dash objects.
Ma'am, opaque.
Ma'am, opaque.
Dash objects allow light to pass through them.
And transparent.
Ma'am, transparent.
Transparent.
There are some objects through which we can see, but not very clearly.
Ma'am, translucent.
Ma'am, translucent.
Ma'am, these are
Ma'am,
called
translucent.
Kindly fill in your notebook also. fill in your this workbook. Column A and column B. Next C part, you have to match with each other.
Ma'am,
Transparent
translucent is butter paper.
butter paper.
Ma'am,
Opaque is
opaque is wood.
Wood.
Ma'am, transparent is glass.
Glass, transparent.
Luminous is torch ball.
children, kindly do it. Next, very short answer type questions. You have to give answer for it. Name one living thing which emits light.
Jellies.
Yes. So it is a firefly which emits light. Yes, next question, kindly raise hand. How can a non-luminous objects be made not luminous?
When lights fall on it.
No? Anything else?
Then the light from luminous objects fall on these objects and then travels towards the
Not able to hear better. Yes,
Then the
Vedic.
light,
Puneet, speak loudly, small bit.
when the light from luminous objects falls on these and then travels towards our eyes.
Ma'am, Puneet's voice is not clear.
Yes, anybody else can give the answer. Yes, Vedic.
Ma'am, when the light falls on the non-luminous object, it reflects the light and then it gives its own light.
Only then we can see those. So children, you have to write down your own. Write down. If luminous objects, if light falls on the non-luminous object, when light falls on the non-luminous object, write down children. When light falls on the non-luminous objects, what happened? They reflect the light and we can see that light.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Better try to understand, then you can write down in your own word. How can a non-luminous object be made luminous? Object is non-luminous and we have to make it as a luminous. So whenever the light is falling on the non-luminous object, then what happens?
Ma'am, it reflects.
Yes, it reflects a light, and when it reflects light, we can see that it is working as a luminous object. Number 3, state one advantage the pinhole camera has over the more useful lens cameras.
Ma'am, I can tell you.
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, a lens of a pinhole camera or other small opening can focus light coming from any distance.
Okay, anybody else?
But these cameras do not require a lens.
Not able to hear better. These cameras?
Do not require lens.
Yes. Very important thing, one advantage is this camera, pinhole camera does not require a lens. Write down. Write down pinhole camera. Does not require any lens. Okay, got it? Pinhole camera does not require any type of a lens. That's why. Next. Does the flame of gas stove emits light?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So the answer will be yes. Yes, it emits the light. Yes, it emits light. Okay. Next, after that, E part. Short answer type question answers. How are we sometimes able to see the sun or moon behind the clouds? Very
Because
interesting
clouds
question.
are translucent object.
Okay, anybody
As we
else?
know that, as we know that clouds are the clouds, therefore they cannot reflect light. They can only allow some part of light
How are
to
we
pass through it.
sometimes able to see sun or moon behind the clouds? Beta,
Because cloud is a
yes. Tell.
because cloud is a translucent object and and sun or moon emit light and translucent object light can pass through translucent object, so
Okay.
we can see the sun and
Okay.
moon.
Aro Bhaskar has raised hand. Aditya Purohit, give the answer, beta.
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, because reflection, because ma'am, clouds are translucent and sun is bright, so we can see the sun above the clouds.
No. They are asking sometimes clouds when come in front of sun or moon, we can't see that. Question is this. So children, you may write down, because clouds are the gases. That is a gas only. And they do not reflect their own light. They can only allow some of the light to pass through them. Sometimes you have seen the sun behind the clouds. Okay. So you may write down. Sometimes that happens, not always. Sometimes able to see sun or moon behind the clouds, because clouds, what they do, clouds are a gases, they can't reflect light. So write down, clouds do not reflect light. Clouds do not reflect light. Okay. And therefore sometimes they allow some part of light to pass through it. Okay, through it sometime. Able to see, children? Clouds do not reflect light, that because clouds are the gases. Okay. They allow some part of light to pass through it sometimes. Okay. I hope each one of you have written the answer. Last two question, one question is left. How is the shadow of an object affected by its distance from the source of light?
Ma'am, can I tell Arav Bhaskar?
Yes, Arav, tell.
The closer to the light source an object is bigger, the bigger the shadow will be. This is because the object blocks more of the light. The further away from the light source of an object is, the smaller the shadow will be. This is because the object blocks less of the light.
Better you have to give the answer in your own words. Simple words. How is the shadow of object affected by its distance from the source of light? Even you must have observed during the afternoon. In the afternoon, what happens when the sun is at our head? The shadow is smaller. And during the morning and evening, when the sun is on the sides, then the shadow is longer. So you have to write down in the simplest manner. Yes, Arav,
Ma'am,
Aditya Purohit. Yes, Vedic.
मैम बिकॉज when we go मैम पास जाने को क्या कहते हैं
Near.
मैम when we go nearer to the source of light
Yes.
our shadow become bigger, and when we go further from the light our shadow becomes smaller. That so
How is the
by
shadow
this
of an
we can-
object affected by its distance from the source of light? Yes, your answer is right. What about else, children? You must have done this experiment. When is your shadow is smaller and when your shadow is bigger? When you are going away from the source of light, write down. When you are going away from the source of light, the shadow is smaller. If we will go closer to the source of light, the shadow will be bigger. Simple it is. If you are moving towards the source of light, then the shadow will be bigger. And if you are going away or further from the source of light, then the shadow is smaller. Got it? Done, children? Everybody has done it? And last question is left that you know. Number 3, moon is non-luminous. Then how does it appear bright in night? This question.
Can I give the answer, Kashvi?
Yes, Kashi.
I Aditya Raj?
After that, Aditya Raj, the same question. Yes.
The
please.
moon is non-luminous because it gets heat and light from the stars.
Yes. Aditya Raj. Okay, good. Same question.
Ma'am, the moon appears bright in night because it reflects the light of stars and sun.
Yes, they take light from sun and star. That's why we are able to see the bright moon at the night. So kindly write down the answer yourself. So with this, your worksheet, this worksheet number 21 of chapter 11 is over.